आज once again, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Yes, very good morning for everyone. आज 27 जुलै आपण नाविन्यपूर्ण उपक्रम दानवेच्या माध्यमातून सादर करण्याचा प्रयत्न करत आहोत. आज 27 जुलै भारताचे महान शास्त्रज्ञ मिसाईल मॅन म्हणून ओळखले जात होते. त्यांचा आज anniversary आहे. त्यांच्या कलागुणांना वाव मिळावा म्हणून डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम यांच्या anniversary औचित्य साधून दानवेवाडी येथे आज विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम यांच्या जीवनचरित्रावरची भाषण स्पर्धा आणि स्पर्धा आयोजित केली आहे. भाषण स्पर्धेसाठी 9 विद्यार्थी आहेत. त्यांनी भाषण होणार आहेत की फक्त त्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी खुले आहे. बाकी सर्वांनी ते भाषण व्यवस्थित ऐकायचं आहे. आपल्या ज्ञानामध्ये भर पाडायची आहे. कारण ही स्पर्धा संपल्यानंतर, भाषण स्पर्धा संपल्यानंतर लगेचच क्विज होणार आहे. ती क्विज सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी खुली आहे. सर्वांनी त्या क्विजला जॉईन व्हायचं आहे. त्या क्विज मध्ये आपण ती सर्वांनी सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये आपले नंबर काढले जाणार आहे. याच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम यांच्या चरित्रावरती क्विज मधील प्रश्न असतील. त्यामुळे निश्चितच आपल्या ज्ञानामध्ये भर पडेल. प्रथमतः न्यू इंग्लिश स्कूल दानवेवाडीचे मुख्याध्यापक आदरणीय भुजंग सर उपस्थित झालेले आहेत. त्यांचं विद्यालयाच्या वतीनं खूप खूप अभिनंदन. भुजंग सर. आजच्या या कार्यक्रमाला आपल्या शाळेचे भुजंग सर यांनी उद्बोधित करावं अशी त्यांना विनंती करतो.
आज या ठिकाणी ही भाषण स्पर्धा आणि प्रश्न मंजुषा हा कार्यक्रम आयोजित केलेला आहे. हा कार्यक्रम आयोजित करण्यामध्ये आपल्या शाळेच्या शिक्षिका सौ जगदाळे मॅडम, त्याच पद्धतीनं कदम सर, उपस्थित असणारे शिंदे सर, बोराटे सर आणि उपस्थित सर्व विद्यार्थी. डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम हे आपल्या देशाचं खूप मोठं वैभव होतं. आपल्या देशाला अणुसिद्धतेबाबत स्वयंपूर्ण करण्यासाठी डॉक्टर कलाम साहेब यांचं खूप मोठं योगदान होतं. या ठिकाणी त्यांना डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम यांना मिसाईल मॅन असं म्हटलं जात होतं. या ठिकाणी जे आपल्या भारताची अणुसिद्धता आहे किंवा असणारं जे अणुबॉम्ब विषयक ज्ञान आहे, ते ज्ञान, त्याचा वापर अणुसिद्धतेमध्ये करण्यासाठी कलाम साहेबांनी खूप मोठं त्यांचं योगदान आहे. त्याच पद्धतीनं देशात राष्ट्रपती म्हणून त्यांचा जो लौकिक आहे तो अतिशय मोठा असा लौकिक आहे. अतिशय साध्या पद्धतीत राहणारे, खूप परंतु चांगला उपक्रम राबवलेला आहे आणि त्या माध्यमानं विद्यार्थ्यामध्ये असणारे जे गुण आहेत, ते गुण, त्या गुणांना संधी देण्यासाठी हा खूप मोठा प्लॅटफॉर्म विद्यार्थ्यांना उपलब्ध करून दिलेला आहे. त्याबद्दल त्या आयोजकांचं सगळ्यात प्रथम विद्यालयाच्या वतीनं हार्दिक अभिनंदन. त्याच पद्धतीनं या स्पर्धेमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांनी सहभागी व्हावं. त्यांच्यामध्ये असणारे जे गुण आहेत, त्यांच्यामध्ये असणारे जे कलागुण आहेत, त्यांना त्यांनी वाव द्यावा आणि आपल्याला प्रत्यक्ष शाळेमध्ये जरी या कार्यक्रम घेता येत नसला तरी आपण हा ऑनलाईन पद्धतीनं हा कार्यक्रम घेत आहोत आणि त्या कार्यक्रमामध्ये जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांनी सहभागी व्हावं, त्यांचे असणारे जे कलागुण आहेत ते कलागुण दाखवावेत ही मी सर्वांना विनंती करतो. आणि या ठिकाणी माझं छोटस जे प्रास्ताविक आहे ते प्रास्ताविक कार्यक्रम खूप मोठा आहे, कार्यक्रम महत्वाचा आहे. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
धन्यवाद सर. खूप खूप विद्यालयाच्या वतीने आपलं धन्यवाद. आपण भाषण स्पर्धेला सुरुवात करणार आहोत. प्रथम इयत्ता 8वीतील विद्यार्थिनी गौरी जगदाळे हिनं आपल्या भाषणास सुरुवात करावी. गौरी जगदाळे.
हॅलो सर.
हा हॅलो गौरी, सुरू कर.
Respected headmaster Mr. Bhujang sir, senior teacher Shinde sir, Mr. Borate sir, Mr. Pritam sir, and sub head teacher Jagdale madam. Today is 27 July, death anniversary of great Indian missile man APJ Abdul Kalam. Our Pakir Jainabuddin Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931 to a Tamil Nadu family of pilgrimage saint of Rameshwaram on Pamban in slide, then in the Madras President and now in state of Tamil Nadu. His father Jainuddin was about our and Iman of local his mother Ashi Amma was a housewife. His school year Kalam had average grades but was described as bright and hardworking student who had strong desire to learn. He spent hours on studies, especially mathematics. After completing his education and Swiss higher secondary school, Ramapuram, Kalam went on to attend St. Joseph's College. On 27 July 2015, Kalam traveled to Shillong to deliver a lecture on creating a livable planet Earth at Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, while climbing a flight of stairs. He experienced some disappointment after a break rest, and around 6:35 p.m. IST, only 5 minutes into his lecture, he collapsed. He was rushed to the nearby Bethany Hospital. In the rush the hour any other singers of life, Kalam was confirmed death of student cardio. Thank you.
खूप खूप धन्यवाद गौरी. खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने ट्राय केला गौरीनं. ठीक आहे. आपल्या मीटिंग मध्ये आदरणीय बोराटे सर उपस्थित झालेले आहेत, त्यांचंही विद्यालयाच्या वतीनं खूप खूप अभिनंदन. यानंतर सईम आतार.
Hello sir.
Yes, continue.
Respected headmaster, sincere teacher, master Kadam sir, and science club head teacher Mrs. Jagdaya madam. Today is the 27th July, death anniversary of a great Indian missile man, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam full name is Aul Pakir Jailuddin Abdul Kalam. He was born in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu on 15th 1931. Kalam had been selling a newspaper to support the income of his family. In 1960, he studied national engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology. His dream as a child was to become a fighter pilot. After graduation, he entered the Defense Research and Development Organization as the scientist. In the 1969, he joined the Organization of Indian Space Research, ISRO. Kalam served as the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle project director. His expertise in space science made him known as a missile man of India. He was the 11th president of the India. On July 27th, 2015, he took his last breath. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Sayum. Okay. Next one is Abhishek. Abhishek Jadhav.
Respected headmaster, Mr. Bhujang sir, senior teacher, Mr. Sindhe sir, Mr. Borat sir, Mr. Kadam sir, and science club head teacher, Mrs. Jagdal madam. Today is 27 July, 10th anniversary of great Indian missile man, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is full name Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. Was born on 15 of October 1931 to a Tamil Muslim family in the pilgrimage center of Paramation on Pambam Island, then in the Madras Prasad Nice and now in the state of Tamil Nadu. His father Jainuddin was a bowl owner, man of a local mosque. His mother Ashamma was a housewife. His school years, Kalam had average grades. Bull was described as bright and hardworking student who had a strong specialty of mathematics. After completing his education, Ramanathapuram Kalam went to attend Sainath Japesh College. On 27 July 2015, Kalam elevated to Shillong to deliver a lecture and creating in Leverage Plant Earth, London Institute of Management, Shillong. While some discomfort after a brief rest at around 35 minutes, only 5 minutes to the north with an hospital in a pulse. Placed in the intensive care unit, Kalam was confirmed dead of sudden cardiac arrest at 7:45 p.m. first. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Abhishek. Very nice information you have taken about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The next candidate is, I think, Vedant is admitted. Vedant, come on. Vedant Saranki. Come on, Ayush Shinde.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Headmaster, Mr. Bhujang sir, Senior Teacher, Mr. Sindhi sir, Mr. Borat sir, Mr. Kadam sir, and Science Club Head Teacher, Miss Jagdai Madam. Today is 26 July, date anniversary of Great Indian Missile Man, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, father of India Missile Program. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the 11th President of India. His full name, Abul Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam is the best president in India history tell to. He is best known as the missile man to every common India. He was born on October 15 to 31st at Dhanushkoti in the temple town Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. His father Jalaluddin was a boat owner and in Inam of the local mosque. His mother Ashiamma was a housewife. He was born in a poor family, but he was a brilliant life. He completed his school education from Lord's Higher Secondary School at Ramanathapuram. Kalam passed the BSc examination from St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. He qualified as an aeronautical engineer from Madras Technical Institute. After graduation from Madras Institute of Technology, he started his career as a scientist and ARDO in 1958. 5 years later, in 1963, he joined India Space Research Organism and was a main project director of SLV-3. He worked on the designing, development, and management of India's satellite rocket, and after some time, satellite Rohini was successfully launched far. His work was honored by Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. In the year 1997, he was conferred the greatest Indian award Bharat Ratna. He has also returned to Books India 2020 and Wings of Fire and Obituography. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam passed away on 27 July 2015 in age 83. In life and work proved to be an inspiration from millions of people exercise the word. His life history in as always will be an encouraging story to all the aspiring youth. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Ayush. Well try. So Vedika is present. Vedika, come on, Vedika.
Good morning, my name is Vika Vijay. Respected Principal Mr. Jung sir, all my senior teachers. Today is 27th day anniversary of great Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Today is we celebration Indian ex-president and the great scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. 6th day anniversary day. Dear Kalam sir is great person in Indian history who served 11th president of India from 2002 and 2007. He was born and resided in Rameshwaram, subject physics and aerospace engineering, born on 15 October 1931. In 1958, he joined the Defense Research Development Organization. He moved in 1969 in Space Research Organization where he was project director. SLV, the first satellite launch Chinese Defense Research Development Organization in 1982 and product a number of successful missile man. Dr. Kalam wrote service book include and one must wings of fire country. Wings of Fire, among their hard work for our country. So many awards, one of them highest honors in our country. Bharat Ratna in 1997. Also in 1998, he more successfully nuclear test in Pokhara. Dr. Kalam always education give you wings to fly. And dreams is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that do not let you sleep. While traveling a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, Shilong Kalam classmates and decide from a appearance. Carried rest on 27 July 2015. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Okay, thank you very much, Vedika. Very
Vedant
nice
माझ्यासोबत
information
आहे.
you have.
Sir,
Dr.
Vedant.
APJ Abdul- Sorry, Vedant is present there. Vedant continue, but one of the information till
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, all friends. Respect the headmaster Sri Bhujung sir, senior teacher Shinde sir, Sri Bhujung sir, and science teacher, head teacher Sri Jagdai madam. Today is 27 July, date anniversary of great mission, great Indian mission, Dr. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Life. APJ Abdul Kalam, full name is Abul Pakir Jainaluddin Abdul Kalam, was born at 15 October 1931 to Tamil Muslim family. APJ Abdul Kalam, father name is Jainaluddin. APJ Abdul Kalam, his mother name is Ashiamma, was housewife. Kalam is youngest of 4 brothers and 1 sister. Is his family in the country of Rameshwar, of Pamban. His land then is Madras, and now is the state Tamil Nadu. APJ Abdul Kalam is Indian aerospace scientist who was 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. APJ Abdul Kalam, his school name is Sant Joseph College. APJ Abdul Kalam passed away 27 July 2050. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Very nicely, 8th standard students presented the skill of the speech, and they take us the lot of information about the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So now next candidate is Ashish Yadav. Come on, fast.
Hi, my name is Ashish. Good morning, everyone. Respected Headmaster Bhujang sir, Senior Teacher Mr. Shinde sir, Mr. Borat sir, Mr. Kadam sir, and Science Cube Head Teacher Miss Jagdaya Madam. Father of India Missile Program, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the 11th President of India. His full name Abdul Pakir Jannuddin Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam is the best president in India. His that he is best known as the Missile Man. To every common India, he was born on October 50, 1931, and Indradhanush Koti in the down Rameshwaran in Tamil Nadu. His father Jannuddin was a board honor and imam of the local Mixes. His mother Ashima was a housewife. He was born in a poor family, but he was a
Recording started. Screen वरती Okay. Okay, Sumit, continue.
आज एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम यांच्या पुण्यतिथीनिमित्त स्पर्धा आयोजित केली त्याबद्दल कदम सर व कदम मॅडम व सर्व शिक्षकांचे प्रथम आभार मानतो आणि भाषणाला सुरुवात करतो. एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम was born on 15 October 1931 in Tamil Muslim family in the village center of Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. Full name of Abdul Abdul Kalam. He was one Indian aerospace scientist. She was 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He studied physics and aerospace engineering. She spent the next decade as a scientist and science administrator, mainly at the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and Space Research Organization, ISRO. Thus, he came to be known as Missile Man of India. He was also authored the book Wings of Fire. She was supported to Bharatiya Janata Party and then Indian National Congress also. She also played a role in 1998 Pokhran second test of the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Abdul Kalam was credited with Padma Bhushan in 1981, Padma Vibhushan in 1990, and then received India's highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna. When she died on 27 July 2015. He was buried in his hometown Rameshwaram with full state honors. Thank you, sir.
Very nice, Sumit. So very well information collection you have collected here and very nicely presented here. So next candidate is Mangesh Kadam.
आज एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम यांच्या पुण्यतिथीनिमित्त स्पर्धा आयोजित केल्याबद्दल सर्व कदम मॅडम यांचे मी प्रथम आभार मानतो व भाषणाला सुरुवात करतो. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Tamil Muslim family in village center of Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. Full name of Abdul Kalam, Abdul Bakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. He was an Indian aerospace scientist. He was 11th president of India from 2002 to 2007. He studied physics and aerospace engineering. He spent the next decades as a scientist and science administrator, mainly the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO and Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. Thus, he came to known as of India. He was also author and write the book Wings of Fire. He was support to Bharatiya Janata Party and the Indian National Congress also. He also played a role in 1998 Pokhran test. Pokhran also played test under leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Abdul Kalam was felicitated with Padma Bhushan in 1981, Padma Vibhushan in 1990, and then received the Indian highest civilian honor Bharat Ratna in 1997. He died on 27 July 2015. He was buried in his hometown Rameshwaram with full state honors. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mangesh. Nice information you have taken. You know that the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was felicitated by the Indian highest civilian award Bharat Ratna, and we have today opportunity. We have the lucky to participate in his death anniversary. Okay, next candidate is Karishma Atar from state 10th standard. Karishma Atar, come on, fast.
Respected headmaster Mr. Bhujang sir, senior teacher Mr. Shinde sir, Mr. Borate sir, Mr. Kadam sir, and science club head teacher Mrs. Jagdaya madam. Today is 27 July, date anniversary of Great Indian Missile Man Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was well-loved Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th president of India. He came to be known as the Missile Man of India following his work and the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. He was born on 15 October 1931 at Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu and died of cardiac arrest on 27 July 2015, whereas giving a lecture at Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. Thank you.
Very nice, Karishma. Next 10th standard candidate is Shivanjali Kadam.
Good morning, all of you, respected teacher and my dear friends. Today I am telling about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam full is Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15 October 1931 to a Tamil Muslim family in the pilgrimage center of Rameshwaram on of Pambana Island, then in the presidency and now in the state of Tamil Nadu. His father Jainuddin was a boat owner and his mother Ashyama was a housewife. Kalam is the youngest of his 4 brothers and 1 sister in his family. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was famous aerospace engineer. He was 11th president of India from 2002 to 2007. He was elected against Lakshmi Sehgal in 2002 and supporter from both the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Indian National Congress, the 2 leading political parties of India at that time. When he was a president, he was popularly known as People's President. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, in 1997. He was also been a professor of aerospace engineering. Kalam is the chancellor of the Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, Thiruvananthapuram. Kalam's contribution in the field of space science space science has been immense. He also contributed the India's civilian space program and military missile development. So he got them. Got the India's missile man title of the India's missile man. People assume him to be one of the powerfully atom carrying president in the history of independent India. The government of India honoring him with the Padma Bhushan in 1981 and Padma Vibhushan in 1990 for his work with ISRO and DRDO and his role as a scientific advisor of the government. Dr. Kalam received India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, in 1997 for his contribution to the scientific research and modernization of defense technology in India. Abdul Kalam died on 27 July 2015 at Bethany Hospital, Shillong. He collapsed due to an apparent cardiac arrest. During the lecture he was giving at the Indian Institute of Management. Thank you.
थँक्यू शिवांजली. आपल्या शाळेचे ज्येष्ठ शिक्षक श्रीयुत शिंदे सर प्रेझेंट झालेले आहेत. त्यांचं विद्यालयाच्या वतीनं खूप खूप अभिनंदन. यानंतरचं पार्टिसिपेट आहेत गौरी गोंजारी.
Good morning, all of you, respected teacher and my dear friends. Today I am telling about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam born on 15 October 1931 in Rameshwaram. His father name was Januluddin, his mother name was Ashiyama. Kalam was famous aerospace engineer. He was 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. When he was president, he was popularly known as People President. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1997. He has also been a professor of aerospace engineering. The government of India awarded him with the Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. He has worked with ISRO and DRDO and his role as a scientific advice to the government. Abdul Kalam died on 27 July 2015 at Bethany Hospital, Shillong. Thank you.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच गौरी. यानंतर आदरणीय शिंदे सर, तुम्ही सर्व मुलांना रिप्रेझेंट करा थोडस. शिंदे सर.
तर आज या ठिकाणी डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम यांच्या पुण्यतिथीनिमित्त संयोजक कदम सर, जगदाळे मॅडम यांनी उत्कृष्टरित्या या कार्यक्रमाचं नियोजन केलेलं आहे. सर्वप्रथम त्यांचं मी अभिनंदन करतो. आपल्या शाळेचे मुख्याध्यापक माननीय भुजंग सर, बोराटे सर, सर्व शिक्षक, इतर कर्मचारी आणि आपण सहभागी झालेले सर्व विद्यार्थी. या ठिकाणी मला जरा उशीर झाला जॉईन व्हायला, पण जे काही मी ऐकलं अतिशय उत्कृष्टरित्या या ठिकाणी जे काही विद्यार्थी आहेत, विद्यार्थी त्यांचं प्रेझेंटेशन देत आहेत. जे काही खरोखर COVID-19च्या या प्रादुर्भावामुळं अनेक अडचणी या ठिकाणी आपल्याला निर्माण होत आहेत, पण या अडचणीवर सुद्धा मात करून आपल्या शाळेचे होतकरू असणारे शिक्षक मंडळी या ठिकाणी नाविन्यपूर्ण जे काही उपक्रम आहेत हे उपक्रम राबवून ते विद्यार्थ्यापर्यंत पोहोचवण्याचं काम करत आहेत. त्याचबरोबर तुम्ही सगळे विद्यार्थी अतिशय हिरिरीनं या उपक्रमामध्ये सहभाग नोंदवून या ठिकाणी कार्यक्रमाची शोभा वाढवत आहात. खरोखर तसं पाहिलं तर या ठिकाणी विद्यार्थ्यांच्या मध्ये अशा प्रकारचे जे काही गुण एक प्रकारे वाव किंवा संधी मिळत नाही आणि या कोरोनानंतर ती संधी पूर्णपणे गमावून टाकलेली आहे. पण तरी सुद्धा अशा परिस्थितीमध्ये या ठिकाणी जी काय संधी ही संधी आपल्या शाळेनं कदम सरांनी जगदाळे मॅडम यांनी उपलब्ध करून दिलेली आहे आणि त्या संधीचा फायदा घेत आपण सर्वांनी उत्स्फूर्त असा सहभाग आपला नोंदवलेला आहे. त्यासाठी मी सर्वांचा अगोदर धन्यवाद मानतो, अभिनंदन करतो. धन्यवाद सर, मला बोलायला थोडीशी संधी दिल्याबद्दल.
खूप खूप आभार आदरणीय शिंदे सर. आपल्या सर्वांच्या सहकार्यानं आणि आपल्या मार्गदर्शनानं असे कार्यक्रम होत आहेत.
कौशल्य